Welcome to Tata Aria, first Indian crossover. While the Aria is designed to give you an excellent driving experience on and off the road, it is equipped with extensive safety features that provide you with the highest level of protection. Aria's safety features can be categorized into active safety features, or those features which prevent accidents, and passive safety features, or those features that minimize injury in case of accidents. Let us first look at the active safety features in the Aria. The Aria is equipped with disc brakes on all four wheels for efficient and powerful braking. The dual-port caliper braking system ensures high braking force and shorter braking distance. During panic braking or while braking on slippery surfaces with normal brakes, the vehicle goes into a skid and the steering becomes unresponsive, thus resulting in an accident. The Aria is equipped with an anti-lock braking system along with electronic brake force distribution. The ABS system alternately releases and reactivates the brakes within a fraction of a second, thus preventing the brakes from locking. This ensures that the tires retain traction and steering remains responsive, thus preventing accidents. The electronic brake force distribution distributes the brake force as per the dynamic requirement sensed for each wheel while braking. This increases braking efficiency and shortens the braking distance. One of the most important features in the Aria is the Electronic Stability Program (ESP) and Traction Control System. ESP is a computerized system that improves stability of a vehicle and prevents skidding or toppling in situations of loss of steering control. ESP intervenes only when it detects loss of steering control, that is, when the vehicle is not going where the driver is steering. This may happen when the vehicle is skidding during emergency evasive swerves, understeer or oversteer, during poorly judged turns or on slippery roads. ESP estimates the direction of the skid and then applies brakes to the individual wheels asymmetrically to prevent the skid and restore steering control. The large windscreen and windows in the Aria ensure good all-round visibility, which is further aided by an upright, high seating position. The large wing mirrors and the reverse guide system provide excellent rear visibility. The Aria is equipped with an inbuilt reverse guide camera. Whenever the reverse gear is engaged, the screen mounted on the dashboard will come alive and display a live view of the rear of the vehicle. The reverse guide system assists you in detecting otherwise invisible obstacles while parking or reversing. With the indicators on the side mirrors, you can simply operate the left and the right indicator with the combination switch, and at the same time, it prominently indicates your turning intentions. Apart from these, the Aria has powerful headlights, front and rear fog lights, and door open warnings. Now let's look at the passive safety features in the Aria. The Aria has some of the best passive safety features found in the cars on Indian roads. Aria is one of the few crossovers in the world with a body-over-frame construction. This construction provides the car the rigidity and robustness required for Indian roads and multi-terrain operation. Moreover, Aria's chassis frame members are made through a new generation technique called hydroforming, which makes the frame lighter, stronger and more rigid. The rigid frame and robust construction is combined with an equally strong body shell. The shell also has a reinforced passenger cabin and several crumple zones built in, which serve to absorb the energy of the impact in the event of a collision. The inbuilt design elements also ensure the pedestrian's safety. To further ensure safety of occupants in case of an accident, the Aria has built-in sensors which, on detecting an emergency, unlock all doors and put on the hazard warning indicators to alert bypassing or following vehicles. The cabin roof lamps too will light up to aid rescue. Aria is the first Indian car to be armed with 6 full surround airbags. The driver's and passenger airbags gets self-inflated within milliseconds, depending on the severity of the frontal collision. The side airbag and curtain airbags assure complete protection on all seats in case of sideways collision or rollover. By forming a safety cushion for all passengers, these airbags reduce the likelihood of injuries in a collision. The front seat belts are equipped with a pre-tensioner, which restricts your forward movement in the event of a frontal impact. Aria's extensive active safety features ensure that it meets all current crash safety norms in Indian as well as European markets. Along with class-leading safety features, the Aria also comes equipped with excellent security measures. In case of theft or bonnet or door opening attempt, the inbuilt immobilizer with paramedic alarm system not only alerts in case of theft but also cuts the fuel supply to the engine and will only start with the original key. The perfectly balanced suspension in Aria not only assures you a comfortable ride but also gives you efficient control and stability on the road or off it. Equipped with a heavy-duty suspension, much of it which springs up from the vehicle's front wishbone have been meticulously engineered to absorb all the vibrations. The 5-link rear suspension with coil springs and shock absorbers is especially constructed to deliver terrific handling and greater stability in all corners. Engineered for an instant response, this is the latest technology in the 4x4 drive. With an all-wheel drive with torque on demand, this system senses and distributes torque to the wheels in accordance with the terrain. This system thus lets you go off-road whilst maintaining the control and stability. The rack and pinion steering is extremely precise and effortless to operate. This power steering delivers excellent high-speed stability and enhanced control on the road, thereby making it easy for you to maneuver on narrow roads. Comfort and convenience of occupants is one area where the Aria truly excels. Special care has been taken in the design and engineering of each element that impacts driver and passenger comfort. Let's look at some of these features in greater detail. The off-roader in the Aria exists in perfect harmony with its comfortable car avatar. Aria's unique design combines low-floor construction along with enough ground clearance. This makes entry and egress extremely easy, resulting in a car you can walk into.